We at BIOLabs Pro pride ourselves in our manufacturing. From supplements to our bioidentical hormone creams, all of our products are made in small batches in our FDA-registered facility here in the United States to ensure quality control and customer satisfaction. We adhere to the highest GMP, good manufacturing process standards. We strive to make all natural products using only the purest, freshest ingredients that nature provides, including all natural preservatives. We use no parabens, fillers, or synthetic ingredients in any of our topical hormone or supplement performance creams. All of our products are cruelty-free, never tested on animals. We value rigorous quality control, in-house and third-party testing to provide you with the safest, most effective health products possible. With over 100 plus combined years of experience from our lab technicians, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of self-supplementation and innovation to make the world a healthier place. From product development to the moment we ship out from our facility, we take great care in the quality and consistency of every single one of our products until they reach you, our customer. We are BIOLabs Pro. Thank you for watching.